Hello there, my name is Alice. I am a licensed cosmetologist and professional makeup artist, and I am still in quarantine. One of my favorite things to do to unwind during this time after a really long and tiring day of walking from my office to the kitchen and then back to my office and then back to the kitchen has been to watch Bob Ross videos. There's literally nothing more relaxing than watching a Bob Ross video, and it's really been making me want to paint alongside with him, but I didn't think I had any canvases. Until I remembered that I do. So this is following a Bob Ross tutorial on my face. Alright, couple of disclaimers here. I am not a special effects makeup artist, but I do have a background in fine arts, so this could either go kind of okay, or it could be a complete disaster and no one will ever see this, or it could be a complete disaster and be entertaining enough that I will want everyone to see it. Second disclaimer, I do have a light layer of foundation on my face right now because I have very sensitive skin, so I wanted to have a little bit of a light barrier before I put the body paints directly on my skin. So I'm going to be using my Marin Paradise palette, and anything near my eyes I'm going to be using my James Charles palette from Morphe. Again, because of the sensitive skin, I don't want to use any of this directly on my eye. So this is Bob Ross Season 10, Episode 1, Towering Peaks. I picked this completely at random. It was one of the first ones that came up on YouTube. It seems like it has enough of a blend of happy little clouds and happy little trees. So I just like the way the thumbnail looked. I have not watched this video. I have no idea what the steps are. I just have my paints and my brushes and my canvas, and we're just gonna see how this goes. So here we go. Yay!
Hello, I'm Bob Ross.
Hello.
If this is your first time with us,
Oh, it is not my first time, my friend.
this is an 18 by 24 canvas. This is a double primed pre-stretched canvas.
I did prime my face.
And we'll just take and pull a little bit out and then tap the brush.
Okay.
And let's put in a happy little cloud, little sky.
We're starting with a happy little cloud! Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's pigmented! Oh, girl! Oh, no. Okay. Forgot how pigmented this stuff is. Okay.
Bright and shiny. It's a happy color.
I love happy colors.
Okay. There.
I mean, he went kind of to the middle, so I guess I'll go about underneath my eye. Does that sound right? And then he has that little point where there's really nothing in the middle, so maybe I'll just leave that in my nose area. So I'll just go around about here.
Maybe we'll have a little water here.
He said to mix the blue with the green. Oh, this is too much green. I think I used a little bit too much green. I also am having an issue following along because I have kind of a weird setup where my mirror is here, my computer is there, and also I don't have my glasses on, so I'm blind. I don't have contacts. So if I'm not following his strokes exactly, I can't see.
We want to make this as easy as possible.
Alright, so he's still leaving that middle part open. We actually have the general shape correct. He has like a sticky uppy part going there, so that's my nose area. One that's right across here, and then that little blended area here. So I think we're kind of okay. Okay. So then we're washing the brush. Is he gonna beat the devil out of it?
Shake off the excess, and then just beat the devil out of it.
Beat the devil out of it, Bob Ross! Okay. I am not gonna beat the devil out of it because I rent this condo and these are not my floors. So I don't really want body paint to go all over the floor. So I'm just going to gently beat the devil out of it on a towel.
Let's make some big fluffy clouds today.
I'm so excited for happy little clouds.
Maybe there's a happy little clouds that just sort of float right around in the sky and have fun.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Okay, Bob Ross. Okay. Oh my God, that's not bad.
Wherever. This is your world.
No, Bob Ross, it's your world. We're just living in it.
Now then, you have to make an almighty decision. Where's your mountain live? I think he's going to live. He is now. Right there.
My camera shut off. So in the meantime, we did some mountains. They're kind of fine. They're not great, but we have more than half the video to go, but we're gonna move on.
I want to touch and just pull down. Now,
So essentially we're kind of going back in with the sky color, and we're just going in the opposite direction of these highlight points on the mountain that we already made that didn't film. Oh, that did nothing. I don't know about all that. That's a little bit better. Okay, that's not as horrific as it was 2 seconds ago. Alright, so I'm going to stop on the mountains there. I know myself, and I know that I will keep touching them and then they will just turn into a blob, so we're just going to keep going with what we got. I have to say, this is actually really relaxing. I've never followed a Bob Ross video before. I've only ever watched them. So this is my first time following it. And even though I'm not following on an actual canvas with the correct materials, it's still very relaxing. I'm really actually kind of enjoying this.
let's say Little Footy Hill lives right here, and all I'm doing is just tapping. Isn't that fantastic? Look at all the little things it makes in there. Looks like just the tops of thousands of little trees far off in the distance. Little evergreens that live back here in the distance. Here, I'm just going to take and tap downward.
Oh God, we're starting little happy trees. Oh boy. There. Oh, is she not working? Oh, Bob Ross, she's not working. Oh no. Went too low. Oh, these trees are not happy. These are not happy trees. Oh no. What if I went over the powder? Okay. Powder's kind of working. I still went down too far though. Those are kind of happy trees. On this side they are not. They are not happy trees on this side.
So all you do is grab it and pull it down.
Oh! Oh! I mean, it doesn't look like a reflection, but it's not awful. It definitely blended out that area pretty nicely. Some of them have a reflection. What am I gonna do about here? Oh no! Is it supposed to be all white? These trees are not looking happy.
Happy little waterline. And keep this basically straight. You can go anywhere you want to go, but the individual strokes should be straight.
I really need something to save my trees here, but maybe this will fix it a little bit. Alright, so essentially I'm gonna have to go back in and kind of redefine the reflection of the trees, because that didn't really go too well. Off camera I went in and I defined them with an eyeliner pencil, which still didn't work. Anyway, but at least it kind of got the shape of them a little bit more.
Then just the corner of the brush. Begin working back and forth.
Oh my god, it works! It works! Oh my god, it works! That's a happy little tree!
Then form your tree.
I'm forming my tree!
The indication of a happy little tree trunk here and there.
Here we go, ready? Here we go. Ooh, that wasn't as happy. It's okay though. Actually, that's not bad. It's fine. It's okay. It's not. Yeah, it's fine.
Let's go ahead. Other side. Now you have to start making some big decisions.
No, I'm not ready for decisions again.
And just push that path right back. Look at there. It just disappeared. We don't know where it's going now. Again, in the very near future, from all of us, happy painting. God bless.
Yay! That's it! We did it! Kind of. Right, so I had to switch to filming on my phone just because my camera is currently uploading what I just filmed and it can't handle more than like 10 minutes of footage at a time. But this is what we got. I mean, I don't think it's a complete and utter disaster. It definitely was a challenge because I did not have the, the same real estate that he was working with, so pretty much the entire lake is gone. But overall, it's not horrible. Yeah, it's not a disaster, I don't think. The reason why I love Bob Ross so much is because he kind of has the same philosophy on art that I have about makeup, in that he just doesn't take it too seriously. It's like, yeah, if you want to do that, do that. Like, make it whatever you want. Just do it as long as it makes you happy. And that's essentially the way that I feel about makeup too. That there are no rules and you can wear it or do it however you want, and to never take it too seriously. So I really had a lot of fun with that. I've literally never followed a Bob Ross tutorial before, even on canvas. So doing it on my face first was definitely a challenge, but because we got results that aren't completely a mess, I feel like if you were to follow it on a canvas, it's very easy to follow. And I feel like pretty much anyone could probably do this. So if you have a canvas and some paints, or your face and some body paint lying around, I could definitely suggest doing this on a rainy day, or if you're in quarantine, any day, because what else is there to do? So thanks for watching this ridiculous video. I have to go take pictures of this and then go take a shower because I'm kind of concerned that this is not ever going to come off. Oh. And if anyone actually wants to follow a Bob Ross tutorial on their face, go for it and then tag me on Instagram at AllisonCosmoland. I would really love to see it, and I would love to see if anyone is actually interested in doing this kind of ridiculous thing too. So please tag me if you do it and if you have fun with it.